Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. Today I'm making a super simple Alfredo sauce. And if you happen to have any Sugo sauce left over from a few episodes ago, we're using our Alfredo to top some Sugo stuffed lasagna noodles. Let's see what we're gonna need. Alfredo sauce is basically just a cheesy bechamel sauce. So for the bechamel sauce, we're gonna need 4 cups of whole milk, 4 tablespoons of butter, and 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I also have salt and white pepper to keep the black flakes out of our white sauce. We'll also need just a bit of your favorite Parmesan or Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese. Now I never measured this, but today I'm going to. This is all going in a pan on top of the stove. We're starting by making a roux, so we need to melt our butter first. Once the butter's melted, we add in our flour. Because we're making a white sauce, we don't want to cook our roux until it's dark. So we basically just want to see bubbles in here, and then we're going to add in our cold milk. Alright, so the butter and the flour are evenly mixed together, so we can pour in our cold milk. As long as you're using cold milk, this will not form lumps. Once this is mixed together, I'm going to shred in the Parmigiano-Reggiano. Once this starts boiling, I may end up adding in more cheese. You can also add in salt and pepper. This is going to be probably a teaspoon, maybe a teaspoon and a half of salt. And about a half teaspoon of this white pepper. And I'm going to add a little more cheese already. Okay, so let's see here. This is thickening up. I don't want it too thick, but I think I am going to add just a little more cheese. I've ladled my Alfredo sauce over the top of these rolls. My oven is heated to 350 degrees and I am just going to use a little bit of mozzarella to top these before they go in there. It's time to give all of this a taste, and it smells so good in here. Get a little bit of everything. So good. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen.
If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.